I'm still sick. I have a headache that I feel like my head is going to explode. But here we are. This is oatmeal with 1 apple. It's a small apple. 1 banana, 2 big strawberries, blueberries, and got a little bit of cranberries. That's it. I'm gonna eat that and I'll see you guys at lunch.
Tomatoes, look it. Tomatoes, look it.
Hi, still sick. Very sick. Yeah, I've been having a
Her
headache.
head hurts really bad. She can't take any madness. She thinks that she's gonna explode.
I feel like I'm going to explode, especially with this stuffy nose and my head. Ugh, it just gets to me. And then I have allergies. My eyes are so watery.
Right
Oh
now,
God.
I think it's watering because the light.
I shouldn't be even freaking recording this. Oh, but I want to show you that I'm gonna have these snacks. Bye. Los dejo. All of you guys. Bye bye.